Hello student, today I am going to teach you exponent and power in mathematics class 7. Student, if you think I am teaching well, then please like my video, share my video and also subscribe it. Let's start. Student, if we multiply 2 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times, it is written as 2 to the power 5. Thus, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Means 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times. It means 2 को हम 2 खुद ही 5 times multiplied होगा. Okay? और उसको हम लिखेंगे 2 to the power 5. So, the concise way of writing a number or expression which is multiplied by itself repeatedly it means लगातार वही चीज बार बार रिपीट हो रही है, is known as the exponential form or exponential expression. So we can write this 2 to the power 5, where 5 is exponent. We can also say it index or index, and 2 is base. Then what is base? Base is the number which repeatedly multiplied by itself. Base वो नंबर होगा जो कि लगातार उसी नंबर से बार बार multiplied होगा, itself multiplied. And exponent or index is the number of times the base will be multiplied to itself. Base is exponent or index is the number of times the base will be multiplied to itself. If A is any rational number, A is any rational number and n is a natural number, n is a natural number, then A to the power n is equal to A into A से लेके n times हम multiplied करेंगे. Okay, so where A is called base and n is A to the power n, or simply we can say A power n. हाँ स्टूडेंट, कुछ पॉइंट्स रिमेंबर करने होते हैं, जैसे एनी नंबर रेज टू द पावर 1. Any number raised to the power 1 gives the number itself. Like 2 to the power 1. तो वो same number आएगा 2. Like 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. Okay? Some power have special names. For example, n square. Okay? Which is n raised to the power 2. मतलब क्या है कि n का power 2 है. और इसे हम एक स्पेशल नेम क्या दे देते हैं, n स्क्वायर्ड कह सकते हैं. लाइक n टू द पावर 3 विच इज n रेज टू द पावर 3 एंड इज ऑल्सो रेड एज अ n क्यूब्ड. एक्सपोनेंट ऑन द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. एक्सपोनेंट ऑन द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, जैसे -1 टू दी पावर 2 है. ठीक है, अब ये पावर क्या है, इवन है. इट मीन्स -1 इज मल्टीप्लाइड 2 टाइम्स इटसेल्फ. सो माइनस, एंड वी नो दैट माइनस एंड माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. सो -1 इंटू -1 इक्वल टू 1. -1 टू दी पावर 3. अब इधर देखिए, -1 इंटू -1 into -1. -1 is multiplied by 3 times. So, minus minus plus and plus minus minus, that is -1. Similarly, -1 to the power 4. Here is the power is also even number. So, -1 is multiplied 4 times. -1 into -1 into -1. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So, it will plus 1. Okay. Similarly, -1 to the power 5. It is odd power. So, -1 into -1 into -1 into minus, 1 into minus 1. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. It will becomes minus 1. Remember the, here we remember the sign minus minus equals plus, plus minus equals minus, minus plus equals minus, and plus will become plus. Thus we conclude that minus 1 to the power n is equal to 1. Kab? If n is an even number. Okay? And minus 1 to the power n equals minus 1 if n is an odd number. Now, exponent on rational number. Exponent on the rational numbers. If a and b is a rational number, a or b कोई भी rational number है, then a by b raised to the nth power is equivalent to another rational number whose numerator and denominator are the exponential form of a and b. Like if we have a and b rational number, so we can write it like a over b whole to the power n. We can write it a to the power n over b to the power n. Okay. For a second example, 3 over 7 to the power 5. ठीक है. फिर जब इसके पावर को चेंज करेंगे तो इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 5 over 7 to the power 5. Here some maths tips. Students, base and exponent cannot be multiplied. Okay, ये दोनों एक दूसरे से कभी नहीं मल्टीप्लाइड हो सकते हैं. Find the value of exponential expression. For example, 2 to the power 5 is not equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay, because 2 to the power 5 is always multiplied like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 को मैं 5 times multiply करूंगी, then we get 32 and it is not equal to 10. Okay. Second one, base and exponent cannot be interchanged. To find the value of exponential expression, 5 to the power 3 is not equal to 3 to the power 5. क्यों? As 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. We get 125. And 3 to the power 5, it means 3 is multiplied 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 243. So 125 is not equal to 243. And so 5 to the power 3 is not equal to 3 to the power 5. Powers of 2 and 3. Powers of 2. 2 to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512. And 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. Similarly, 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. 3 to the power 2 या 3 square is equal to 9. 3 cube is equal to 27. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. 3 to the power 5 is 243. 3 to the power 6 is equal to 729. 3 to the power 8 is equal to 6561. 3 to the power 9 is equal to 19,683, and 3 to the power 10 is equal to 59,049. Here laws of exponent, लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, इसमें बहुत सारे लॉज हैं एक्सपोनेंट के. लॉज वन क्या है? मल्टीप्लाइंग पावर्स विथ द सेम बेस. अगर बेस सेम है तो उसके पावर को हम कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? इफ x is a non-zero rational number, x is a non-zero rational number, and a and b are the positive integers, then x to the power a into x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. How? देखिए बेस यहाँ पे क्या है? सेम है. इधर भी x है और इधर भी x है. इसका एक्सपोनेंट या इंडेक्स a है और इसका b है. जब बेस सेम होते हैं तो ऊपर की पावर जोड़ दिए जाते हैं, ऐड कर दिए जाते हैं. सो x a प्लस b, x to the power a plus b हो जाएगा. Another example, we take 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. इधर भी 3 है और इधर भी 3 है. It means बेस दोनों के क्या है? सेम है. So power will be added. 3 to the power 2 plus 3, it becomes 3 to the power 5. Okay? अगर हम इसको रेशनल नंबर के उसमें लें तो like 4/7 to the power 3 into 4/7 to the power 4. Here base are same, so we can write it 4/7 to the power 3 plus 4. ऊपर के पावर ऐड हो जाएंगे. 4/7 to the power 7. Second law, dividing powers with the same base. If x is a non-zero rational number, x is a non-zero rational number, and a and b are positive integers, a and b are positive integers, then x to the power a divided x to the power b will become x to the power a minus b when a is greater than b. X to the power a divided x to the power b is equal to 1 upon x to the power b minus a when a is less than b. देखते हैं ये कैसे. x to the power a divided x to the power a divided x to the power a divided x to the power b को हम लिख सकते हैं x to the power a over x to the power b. और जब बेस सेम हो तो ऊपर की पावर माइनस हो जाते हैं. जैसे देखिए x न्यूमरेटर में भी है और x डिनोमिनेटर में भी है. फिर x to the power a minus b सिंपली हम लिखते हैं. We take example 4 to the power 5 divided 4 to the power 2. तो जब बेस सेम हो और डिवाइड का कंडीशन रहे तो पावर को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट लाइक 4 to the power 5 over 4 to the power 2. So 4 to the power 5 minus 2, 4 to the power 3. Okay. Another example, 3/5 to the power 5 divided 3/5 to the power 2. We write this 3/5 to the power 5 minus 2. 3/5 to the power 3. Law 3, numbers with negative integers as exponent. If x is a non-zero rational number. Okay, and a is a positive integers. Then x to the power minus a, we write this like x over x to the power a. 5 to the power minus 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1/5 to the power 2. टेकिंग पावर ऑफ अ पावर, लॉ 4 है टेकिंग पावर ऑफ अ पावर, मतलब पावर का भी पावर. उसको हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? इफ x इज अ नॉन जीरो रेशनल नंबर and a and b are positive integers, then x to the power a to the power b, we can write it like x to the power a into b. ये दोनों पावर मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 to the power 2 to the power 4, then 3 to the power 2 into 4. ये दोनों पावर मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाएंगे and it equals to 3 to the power 8. Second example, minus 2 over 7 to the power 3 to the power 5. We can write it like minus 2 by 7. अब ये दोनों जो पावर हैं वो मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाएंगे 3 into 5. Okay, and it is minus 2 by 7 to the power 15. Law 5, number with 0 as exponent. If x is a non-zero rational number, then x to the power 0, okay, x to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So take another example, 3 to the power 3 divided 3 to the power 3. We can write it like 3 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 0 की वैल्यू होगी 1. Similarly, minus 4 by 5 to the power 4 divided minus 4 by 5 to the power 4. We write it like 4 by 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 3 to the power 4 divided 3 to the power 4. We write this like 3 to the power 4 divided 3 to the power 4. और 3 को कितने टाइम्स लिखेंगे? 4 टाइम्स. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 जा 9, 3 जा 27, 3 जा 81. 81 न्यूमरेटर भी और 3 3 जा 9, 3 जा 27, 3 जा 81 डिनोमिनेटर. ये कटा 1 आया. ओके, और हम इसे क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 to the power 0. ठीक है, तो 3 to the power 0 की वैल्यू क्या आई? 1 आई. तो जब 0 एज अ एक्सपोनेंट होता है तो वैल्यू क्या आती है? 1 आती है. Law 6, multiplying power with the same exponent. If x and y are non-zero rational number, x and y are non-zero rational number, and a is positive integers, then x to the power a into y to the power a is always equal to x y to the power a. For example, 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. We write 3 2 times, 3 into 3 and 5 multiplied 2 times, 5 into 5. So 3 into 5 in one bracket and 3 into 5 in second bracket. So we write, so if this power is 1 and this power is 1 and the base is same, so power will be added. So it is 3 into 5 to the power 1 plus 1 will become 3 into 5 to the power 2. Second example, 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 to the power 3. We write it 2 times 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 3 times, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, and 1 by 3 3 times, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Okay, this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, second bracket, and 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, third bracket. Okay, base is same and their power is 1 1 1, so the power will be added. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 to the power 3. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 3s are 9. The 2 by 9 to the power 3. Law 7, dividing power with the same exponent. If x and y are non-zero rational number and a is positive integers, then x to the power a divided y to the power n, then x to the power a divided y to the power a. We write this like x to the power a divided y to the power a is x by y to the power a. Example, 3 to the power 3 divided 4 to the power 3. We write this like 3 by 4 to the power 3. Okay. Some math steps. First, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Base is same, so power will be added. 2 plus 3, 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 3 is not equal to 3. 4 to the power 5 divided 4 to the power 2. We write this like 4 to the power 5 minus 2 is equal to 4 to the power 3. But 4 to the power 5 minus 4 to the power 2 is not equal to 4 to the power 5 minus 2, and it is not equal to 4 to the power 3. In short, laws of exponent. First, x to the power a into x to the power b is always equal to x to the power a plus b. Second, x to the power a divided x to the power b is always equal x to the power a minus b. Third one, x to the power minus a is always equal to 1 upon x to the power a. Fourth, x to the power a to the power b is always equal to x to the power ab. X to the power 0 is equal to 1. Sixth, x to the power a into x to the power a into y to the power a is equal to x y to the power a. X to the power a divided y to the power a is always equal to x by y to the power a. Here we solve some problems. Question 1. Write the base and exponent of 5 by 3 and 7 by 5 in exponential form. So for 5 by 3, we know that 5 is base and 3 is exponent or index, because it is in the form of a to the power m, where a is base and m is index or exponent. Similarly, 7 to the power 5, 7 is the base and 5 is exponent or index. Second is, which is the greater number, 6 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 6. So first we take 6 to the power 3 and we write it 3 times 6, 6 into 6 into 6, and it equals to 216. And similarly 3 to the power 6, 3 is written 6 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. So since 729 is greater than 216, therefore 3 to the power 6 is greater than 6 to the power 3. Hence, the greater number is 3 to the power 6. Here the problem is minus 1 to the power 7, and we know that when power is odd, the answer will in minus. So as 7 is an odd natural number, so it minus 1 to the power 7 will minus 1. Similarly 15, as 15 is an odd natural number, so minus 1 to the power 15 will become minus 1, and 100 is an even natural number. So minus 1 to the power 100 is equal to 1. Another problem, find the value of x in 3 to the power x is equal to 243. 3 to the power x is equal to 243 में हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. How we can find it? 3 to the power x is equal to 243 को हम कितने टाइम्स लिख सकते हैं? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. So 3 to the power x 1 2 3 4 5. तो 3 कितने टाइम्स है? 5 टाइम्स है, तो वी कैन राइट इट लाइक 3 टू द पावर 5. सो बेस इज सेम, सो पावर इज इक्वल टू x टू द पावर 5. Another problem is bracket in 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 bracket closed divided by 5 to the power 7. We write this like 5 to the power 2 into 3, because we know that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 4 bracket close divided by 5 to the power 7. We write it 5 to the power 15 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 by 7. And we know that a to the power m into a to the power m, बेस सेम है, ऊपर के पावर जुड़ जाएंगे m plus n. So we write it like 5 to the power 15 plus 4 divided 5 to the power 7. So 5 to the power 15 plus 4, 19. Again we repeat 5 in bracket 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 multiplied 5 to the power 4 bracket closed divided by 5 to the 7. 5 to the power 7. We know that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Here we write 2 into 3. 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 4 divided 5 to the power 7. And 2 into 3 will become 6. So 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided 5 to the power 7. Here base is same. When base is same, then power will be added. So here 5 and 5. Base is same. So power is added. Then 6 plus 4. So 5 to the power 6 plus 4 divided 5 to the power 7. So 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. And we know that a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Then 5 to the power 10 minus 7 is equal to 5 to the power 10 minus 7 is equal to 5 to the power 3. And we write this also like 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. From this we come to an end. Please like my video, share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you. Students, these are the recaps which you can note it down in your notebook.